Assalamu alaikum guys. So in our previous video, we learned how to download JDK, that is the Java Development Kit. Now in this video, we are gonna start how to execute Java programs, and there are basically two methods of executing Java programs. If you want to follow method 1, then first of all go to the previous video, my first video. The link is below in the description, you can check from that. So if you want to continue with method 1, then you have to watch the full video, in which I have discussed how to download JDK and how to set the environment variables and other related settings. Okay, so if we start with method 1, go to your C drive and make a folder. Okay, so you have to do coding, so I have already done. I have made a folder named coding. Go into that and then make a text file or document. Okay, whatever. So I have made it. Now you have to save it as a Java file. Okay, for that, so as you already know, or if you don't know, then I can tell you that every Java program has a class. So अगर कोई भी प्रोग्राम हम लिख रहे हैं तो वो सब कोडिंग एक क्लास के अंदर होगी, सारी कोडिंग एक क्लास के अंदर होगी. हर प्रोग्राम में एक ना एक क्लास जरूर होती है और जिसके नेम से फाइल को हमने सेव करना पड़ेगा. फॉर एग्जांपल इफ आई टेक अ क्लास एज कार, फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं कार लेती हूँ तो इसको मैंने सेव करना पड़ेगा ऑल फाइल्स टाइप से. ओके, सो इन दिस फील्ड यू हैव टू सिलेक्ट ऑल फाइल्स ऑप्शन. सो कार इज द नेम ऑफ क्लास जिसको मैंने फाइल नेम रखा है, और ये रखना जरूरी है. आपकी जो क्लास है वो जिस नेम से भी है, आपकी फाइल भी उसी नेम से होगी. So since it's a Java file, .java extension will be .java. Okay, now it's saved. You can see Java file. Okay, we can start coding now. Class car, and then main function public static void main. So that's how you define a main function in Java. As you can see that these square brackets indicate that it's an array. Okay, so it's a string type of array and it has the name args. So you can change it. Args, you can for example, you can change it as g, h, whatever. So you can variable name can be any combination of alphabets, so you can use anyone. So I have taken gh. So let's start. So I'm just about to print a simple line. So what should I print? Okay, if I print coding with machine, and then bracket close, and then glass bracket close. So that's it. Then save it from here. Cancel. Now to execute it, go to your command prompt, cmd, then cd \. Okay, so now we have to access that file, Java file. Okay, हमने ये जो Java file बनाई है car, इसको हमने access करना है through cmd. So for that, go to that drive. उस drive में जाएं जिसमें आपकी फाइल पड़ी हुई है. तो मेरी फाइल C drive में पड़ी है, तो मैं पहले से ही C drive में हूँ, इसलिए मुझे कहीं जाने की, किसी और ड्राइव में जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. अगर मेरी फाइल D drive में होती तो मैं D और कॉलन लिख के एंटर करती. ओके, और अगर E में होती तो E कॉलन लिख के एंटर करती और मैं फिर E drive में चली जाती. ओके, so since my file is in C drive, I'm here and I won't go anywhere. Then C drive में एक folder है, तो हमने उसके अंदर जाना है. Folder name coding. cd new coding means you are changing directory, you're going to a folder. So we are in that folder. हमने एक्सेस कर लिया है कोडिंग का फोल्डर. अब इसमें जो फाइल है उसको हमने कंपाइल करना है फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. For that, use the command javac and then the file name. So the file name was car.java. Enter. So ये कंपाइल हो चुका है. अब रन करने के लिए जावा यहाँ पे आगे होगा कार जो है फाइल नेम का जावा प्लस जावा स्पेस फाइल नेम और क्लास नेम. सो फाइल नेम और क्लास नेम सेम होते हैं. सो यू कैन कॉल इट whatever you want. जावा कार एक्सटेंशन यूज नहीं होगी. As you can see, output coding with Mishi. So it was a basic program. I'm closing it. Okay, so moving to the next method. If you don't want to do any this stuff because it's so lengthy, it's a lengthy process. In my previous video, I have shown you how to download the JDK and how to set the environment variable. So it's basically a full lengthy process. Okay, so if you want to skip that, you can you can directly download a software for running of Java programs. So the software used for Java programs is Eclipse. Okay, so go to eclipse.org for downloading. ECL. Go to download and you can get Eclipse from here. Download 64-bit. Okay, so you can easily download from here because I have already downloaded. I'm not going to show you that. Just search Eclipse IDE. Waiting for it to open. Okay, so in the workspace, we're required to tell where the work we will do in Eclipse will be stored. मतलब हम अपनी लोकेशन सेलेक्ट करते हैं कि हम जावा में जो भी कोड लिखेंगे वो कहाँ पे स्टोर होंगे. तो आप इसको चेंज कर सकते हैं with this browse option, but I will select these. मैं यही रखूंगी. It's opening. Okay, it's done. Okay, I have already done that. Okay, so let's do it. So that's the basic interface that you will get when you will open Eclipse. Now from the file, you have to create a new, first of all, you have to create a project. So it should be a Java project. Go to new and click on Java project. And project name, for example, if I create which class, let's say coding. So no, it's not a class, sorry. It's a project name, so it can be anything. We don't want to create a module. Don't create. Okay, so that's the project. Now go to the subfolder src in that folder and right click on src and आपने एक प्रोजेक्ट बना लिया है. अब उसमें आपने एक क्लास क्रिएट करनी है, राइट? क्योंकि जावा में सारी कोडिंग एक क्लास के अंदर होती है, उसके बाहर कुछ भी नहीं हो सकता. For that, go to new and click on class. Class name will be so there are no restrictions that हमने जो जावा प्रोजेक्ट का नेम रखा है वही हमने जावा क्लास का रखना है. Eclipse में हमें इंडिपेंडेंस है इस चीज की. Okay, name of class, for example coding ही रख लेते हैं. Finish coding.java. Now we will define main function, public static void main. ARGS. Okay, public means it's a public function. Main is a function, and it's a public function. And static means you don't have to create objects for it, for its execution. Okay, we will learn it afterwards. First of all, void, as you all know, or if you don't know, void means it returns nothing. Return type of main is void. Okay, so let's write an output statement. S should be capital. If you don't do that, it will give an error. Print ln and print coding with Mishi. Oh, sorry. And see, it's showing an error because I haven't inserted a semicolon. So insert it to complete the code. And this static shows that there are some changes in that file that need to be saved. So before executing, press Ctrl S and then run. It should be run as Java application. So go to that, run as Java application. So that's my console coding with Mishi. I got that. Okay, so that's it for this video. I will cover all the remaining topics in the coming videos and hope to like and subscribe and share it also. Okay, so that's it. I'm going to wrap it up. Allah Hafiz. Bye.